So hope so it is the previous video is very much clear for you, like what is 22 modifier. So next, today we are going to see what is 23 modifier. Before that, I'll give you a self introduction for the people who are watching me for the first time. I'm Danya Kamal. I'm a CPC certified trainer. I completed my MSc Pediatrics from Rajiv Gandhi University, and I have totally 8 years of experience as a medical coding certification trainer, and I own a training academy in UAE named Levanta Talent Management. So okay, we'll see the next modifier. So the basic introduction, if you have gone through the previous video, you might have understood and all, and you have to look into the modifier in appendix A. So the previous video is 22. Now we are moving on to modifier 23. Modifier 23. Modifier 23 is called unusual anesthesia. Unusual means what? Not required. That is called unusual. Okay, unusual anesthesia. For some procedure, the anesthesia will not be required, but due to the patient condition, the surgeon or the doctor will be forced to give anesthesia. The main reason is the patient will not be cooperating for the procedure. In that case, you have to append 23 modifier. So a patient requires general anesthesia for an ERCP. For ERCP procedure, general anesthesia is not required. But if the patient is not cooperating, you have to add 23 modifier along with the code. There are a few examples, and second example is diagnostic bronchoscopy for mentally ill patient who becomes combative when treated. That which means the patient is not cooperating. The mentally ill patient is not cooperating with the doctor. So in order to complete the procedure, the doctor is giving anesthesia to complete that procedure. So along with the procedure code, you have, along with the anesthesia code, you are giving 23 modifier. So like that, we have few examples. Next is modifier 24. As I said, like in the previous video, you can comment the best examples below this video, so that the people who are practicing for the CPC exam, they can utilize it, and it will be helpful for me also, so that finally I can combine all these examples and I can make a video, so that those who are practicing or those who are taking up the training, it will be useful for them. For our next video is modifier 24. Please don't miss to watch that. If you have any queries or if you have any doubts, please do comment below. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.